Let me ask you something. What if just a few minutes a day could make your mind sharper, faster, and more focused than ever before? Most people think boosting brain power is complicated. But the truth is, your brain grows stronger with small, consistent habits. Today, you'll learn 7 simple brain exercises that can transform your focus and mental strength. Starting now. Exercise 1. Daily Memory Challenge. Pick 5 random items around you and try to memorize them. Repeat this daily. This trains your brain to recall information faster. Exercise 2. Switch hand writing. Write your name or a small sentence using your non-dominant hand. This activates new neural pathways and improves mental flexibility. Exercise 3. 5-minute meditation. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and focus on your breath. This clears mental clutter and boosts concentration instantly. Exercise 4. Learn 1 new word a day. Expanding vocabulary forces your brain to think, store, and retrieve new information. Exercise 5. Speed reading practice. Choose a paragraph, read it faster than normal, then summarize it. This builds comprehension and processing speed. Exercise 6. Puzzle time. Spend 10 minutes on puzzles like Sudoku, crosswords, or logic games. They enhance problem-solving and mental endurance. Exercise 7. Brain walk. Walk for 10 minutes without your phone. Observe surroundings and identify details. This strengthens awareness and focus. Your brain is like a muscle. Use it daily and it grows powerful. Start these exercises today, and you'll notice sharper thinking, stronger memory, and unstoppable focus. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to set the bell icon on all, so you never miss a new motivational video.